Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up your signature in ClickUp for your Gmail account. Right, so all you have to do guys is click your account on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Then on the left hand side, click on the email integration. This is going to show where you have your Gmail already synced. And if you haven't got it synced, then you have the option there to sign into Google and you can sign into your Gmail account. Just accept all that is required to do so. Now from here you will see this section, you'll see three tabs really: email, account, signatures, and templates. Right, so you want to go ahead and click on signatures right there, and here on the left hand side you will see that you have add signature, so you can click on that. And again, you require to upgrade to business, so if you don't have the business account you will not be able to, let's say, have that. So I recommend that if you want to have the unlimited features of this option here, you want to upgrade to at least the business. Right, and then from there you can easily go ahead and add your email signatures. Right, you can add them, you can design them there, you can save them, and you can always reuse them whenever you need. So upgrading to the business account will allow you to remove certain brandings that are there that shows ClickUp. You can add your own email templates and even signatures, and that's pretty much really it guys. Very easy and very simple.